If you guys are like me and the thought of owning your own private lake has always been a dream, I'm here today to make that dream a reality. Hey everyone, Alan Messing here with Midwest Lifestyle Properties and UC Hunting Properties, and I'm excited to take you on an adventure today. We're up in Watersmeet, Michigan. We've got a private lake, 20 acres, placed perfectly on a 160-acre parcel. It's got awesome terrain features, tons of wildlife on this property. I'm excited for you guys to tag along. When you pull into the property, it's got a really nice old rustic cabin. Wouldn't take much to get the cabin restored. It's got some big windows, a beautiful view of the lake. You follow that trail up to the build site where there's a park model RV with a beautiful deck. It's got electric run up there. So we're up on this hilltop, overlooks the whole lake. This is probably my favorite spot on the property. This is where the park model RV sits. If you want to have a future build here, this is a perfect spot for that too. It's got all the utilities run back in here. The well and septic is also installed here. So if you guys are up here in the summer, you got a great view of the lake, you can have a campfire, I can just visualize that. Or if you're up here in the winter, you are on an all seasons road, so there's a ton of snowmobiling in this area. It's a great spot to come in and warm up. Well, we brought the bike with us in here today to make it a little easier to explore this private road. It does feed all the pre-split lots that come with this, so this is a great investment piece. So whether you want to have this property for your own getaway at 160 acres, or you do want to split this thing up, and most of the legwork has been done there for you already, this is a great investment piece, and this is a great piece that you can stand on your investment. So placed perfectly in the center of this property is a just shy of 20-acre lake. It's full of fish. They've got aerators running in it to keep from winter shock. And it's about 20 acres and about 15 feet deep. Nice thing about owning your own private lake is it's never going to be overfished. So guys, while we're wrapping up here today and doing a little bit of fishing out here, I just want to talk about our experience out here and all the wildlife we saw. Walking in here this morning, it made me feel like a kid again. I started following some animal tracks. We found a couple trap sets. We did bump a few deer, we kicked up a few grouse, and whoever is looking for a really cool piece of property with a lot of game on it, the evidence is here. There are tracks everywhere. So if you guys are looking for a turnkey product and this place is ready to go, feel free to give me a call, 616-822-1622. I'd love to get you out here and see this property for yourself.